Welcome, travelers. This staff will help you on the trail.
Thank you. We accept your generous gift.
Wow, look at the mist, Mama. The butterflies are lovely, sweetie. But let's keep going. We're on an adventure. It's all right, my love. We're safe now. We're almost there, little Silver. I know, Mama. Let's do this. You did it, little Silver. We're finally here.
It's beautiful, Mama.
One, two, three. Say cheese. Perfect shot, little adventurers. Welcome aboard. Next stop, the foot of Fansipan.
Wow, Mama, it's like a painting. Are we flying through the clouds?
Enjoy the view, ladies. It only welcome to the peak. The view awaits you.
Look, Mama, we're above the clouds. It's amazing.
Breathtaking, isn't it, dear?
Mama, there are so many more mountains right here in Vietnam. We haven't even seen the Hai Van Pass yet.
Wow, Mama! Look at that view! It's incredible!
It certainly is, little Silver.
Thank you for your hospitality.
It was my pleasure. Safe travels.
Goodbye.
Look, sweetie, we are at the very top of Fansipan, the roof of Indochina.
We can't stay here much longer.
The patrols are getting closer.
I know, but where else is there left to go?
Together?
Mama, look! This one, it's completely uncharted.
Ah, little Silver. I see that spark in your eyes again. This formation requires precise paw placement, little Silver. See how the holds are?
Like this, Mama. It fits perfectly, Mama. And it feels so strong.
Good. Safety first, little Silver. Always.
Rope integrity, checked. Emergency beacon, checked.
All supplies are in their places, Mama. I know where everything is.
Feel the texture, little Silver. Use the pads of your paws, not just your claws.
Ah, yes. More like this. Finding the balance. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate your support.
We're ready. Let's go.
Look, Mama, the mountains. Are we almost there?
Soon, little one, the real adventure is about to begin.
That's right. We'll be.
Welcome to the base of Fansipan. The trail is steep but beautiful.
Don't worry, sweetie. You've got this. The path is clear now. Thank you. We just need a moment.
We should take shelter here.
All right, little Silver. It's safe here. Here you go, sweetie. It'll give you energy for the climb.
Thank you, Mama. It's yummy.
It's all right. We'll climb together.
You are brave.
I'm ready. I can make it up there.
I don't know if I can make it, Mama. It's so steep.
Just a little further, my love. You're doing so well. It's all right, little Silver. We can do this together.
I'm ready, Mama. Let's go.
We're almost there, little Silver. Just a little further.
I can't do it, Mama.
Mind if I snap a quick photo for the Summit archives?
Welcome aboard. Please step right in.
We went all the way down.
Safe travels. Enjoy the view.
Thank you, conductor.
It's beautiful up here.
Look, little Silver. We actually made it to the summit.
It was beautiful, Mama. I remember the view.
Look, Mama, it's finally up there.
It looks perfect right next to the others, little Silver. It was a wonderful adventure, wasn't it? Now it's time for little silver kittens to sleep. Come along.
And we did it together, every step. I know where we are.
We are right here at Fansipan, the highest mountain in Vietnam.
Together?
Always, little Silver.
I reached the top, just like this.
You did wonderfully, my little adventurer. We can do this together.
Clifton, what do we do now?
This was once a sea.
Mama, it's too high.
You're doing well, little Silver. Keep your footing secure.
I'm right behind you, Mama. This wall is huge.
I've never seen anything so big.
The Great Wall watches over everything.
Thank you, Mama. This is amazing.
I always knew you could, my brave one.
They say every droplet of water helped form this cave.
Imagine how long that must have taken. It's beautiful, Mama.
cave walls were enormous. I climbed higher and higher until I found these.
Are those real cave pearls?
You were very brave, little one.
It's time, little Silver. Are you ready for the journey?
Yes, Mama. I'm not afraid anymore.
The map and the pearls are secure. Are you ready, my little explorer?
Look, Mama. I brought the sleeping bag just like you asked.
Oh, little Silver. That's not how we approach a retrieval mission. You need finesse. Here, observe. Your pack is secure, little Silver. Are you ready for the journey ahead?
I am ready, Mama. Let's explore the cave.
We must keep moving if we want to reach the waterfall before sunset, little Silver.
I'm right behind you, Mama. This jungle is amazing.
This is it, the Great Cave of Sondung.
It's huge. Are we really going in there? Wow, Mama. It's huge.
Don't worry, my little one. We are ready for this journey.
Be brave, my little one. The greatest adventures lie within.
Hold on, little Silver. It's just the sound of the cave. We must keep moving forward.
Okay, Mama Silver. I'm right behind you.
What an incredible formation, little Silver. It must have taken thousands of years to grow this large.
This current is too strong here. We need to find the bridge.
Is that it up ahead, Mama?
Well, hello there.
closely, little Silver. This shell is older than the cave itself. Wow. Can I touch it, Mama?
Look closely, little Silver. These patterns tell us that long ago, this entire cave was beneath the sea.
I'm slipping, Mama. I can't hold on.
Look closely at the calcel site.
You can do this, little Silver. Place your paw right here.
I've got it, Mama. I'm coming up. Look what I found! Look, the cave entrance is right here, and it goes up super high, maybe 50 paws tall. See? The map shows the way to the glowy cave pearls. I had to jump this huge gap. Look what I found deep inside the cave. Aren't they beautiful?
Wow, amazing! We've never seen anything like it.
And that's how I found the cave pearls. Was I brave, Uncle?
You showed great courage, little Silver. Your father would be proud.
Woof!
Bro.
Chirp, chirp.
This cushion is soft and warm, perfect for a nap.
Okay, Mama. I am feeling quite sleepy.
We must follow this path through the cave, past the second peak.
And the pearls?
Are they near the summit?